Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so me den nsem bi bremo a efa Men's Gold ho na Men's Gold nsem no akoye something which is there no ni asema will be back something which is there I say bibia wo ho bi na so ne beto aso na subscribe na click the notification bell no and no end that screen so sisia we yan say latest news be about one sa ebeka quickly yan nsem ne so na nsem ya me the breaking news bi bremo said indeed some people have been paid na senior Men's Gold for Edeba Bonten ka say payment schedule no senior wombe no womu yomadwe say womu di so far womu omoba Bonten ka say they have been paid no some aggrieved customers of Men's Gold so says say dey ni na fake because at least almost so say Men's Gold customers be womu pay and as ye ti omo they the aggrieved customers na at least that also womu who say okay asumesi wono na ye di sika na ma no na womu so nya rehemu say yen so ye sika na ebeden ebeba but womu tremu a nkrofo na Men's Gold for tre say ye tia womu ni na no san nkrofo no womu akoye fake people na tre say dada bi na Men's Gold for dada customers no na eno enam so ema Men's Gold customer bia ye friend Nana Kisi on a particular radio ye interview no on 30th December last month na ye interview Nana Kisi no and then with pepepe any interview no na ye interview no na for what nsem bi etudwa wotie nsem a wakan ya obo no say yes Nana Kisi nsem a wakeka no serious because one of the workers so pain was in the pain say he will go after the life of Nana Appiah Mensah because Nana Appiah Mensah is not able to pay the Men's Gold customers now or then dada ababontin betrese wetia and our share say wetia meanwhile one more person one more come ekọ say nipa kra Nana Appiah Mensah aka say wetia no ebi asumesi ni wo ma ya wo mu hu obia nti wo mo de o ma fa ne say eyentro nti sa Nana Kisi wo say wonya ni sika wo no de wo be ko after Nana Appiah Mensah and there watching Nana Appiah Mensah say ku no be ku ni kra na wo be ye na to say we nya the freedom and no any ade Nana Kisi wo ko kan e wo radio so na what kind no I think say I don't know whether Nana Appiah Mensah na kasa na report Men's Gold no and now say some top people in the Men's Gold organization report there but what can answer no e wo radio so wie ye no e na CID for Pekin no for questioning inti ye beti an say Nana Kisi CID for Pekin no na CID for Pekin for questioning na over an hour na still CID for interrogating no na the entire CID for yes and say ensema branch na aka e wo radio interview ne so no CID 4% wo mo he say there are branch and does he actually have the capacity to do something like that because you find say wo bi award ne sika akoshe Men's Gold na wa ba bonten kasa say Nana Appiah Mensah wo che na wo be ne si na it tells you say ne sika na ebia eson na wo bi an ne sika nso so wo de akoshe Men's Gold dia na tre say ebia ne pakunu wo sika wo bi nso wo sika munim say obetumi akpopa say yenkoku obi ana wo no ankasa betumi akoto etio na wo de ekodi sa abone no nti we ni na no standard procedure na CID for go through wo mu interrogate papa no by interrogation na ade a cheye eno ma Men's Gold customers no ebimo eti in some way wo mo ampene especially the members of the coalition of aggrieved Men's Gold customers nti yenda me ne wo ka say wo mu nia board dumping gu police yard headquarters so ene wo mo be chante wo mo be yeso wo mu bodua wo mo be yeso wo mu di atem tese ni na mu no say hey release our man because wo mo ntiase say wo bi agi wo musika na ne pakuni mom enda me ne wo ka say wonam free yen ga say Nana Appiah Mensah free because they be ya water court but he has like you are granting a bail wo Ghana na obi asebe ni sika wone ho a wono usu se Nana Appiah Mensah be da no se wo tia emra won tia e na wono akokasa mo se mo abeche no nti Men's Gold for no ene obehu ene wo mo share red ko jan share red omo mbese black nim say bia no ko yeye wo ho dia ba etiefo enye asem kuma ene asem a wo bi beka enye asem kuma. So they went there to solidarize with their colleague a police for no inviting no for allegedly threatening the life of Men's Gold CEO Nana Appiah Mensah. Etiefo enye easy na asem we no akoye ase who bi. I was listening to an interview of Captain Smart and Brana, one of the customers are claiming say Men's Gold for 8 yaneka. Now I think it was somewhere last week and last month. Now Captain Smart interview say nipa krono. Now I don't know whether it was the questioning style of Captain Smart and now say nipa krono nkasa naturally. But senior na nipa krono will answer question no. The person didn't help matters. When the krona the so say we Men's Gold customer now when you sika no. The person didn't actually help matters in the sense say na Captain Smart the question no piano. But the bakono meaning say na ferry say no slow say dey. But senior na will answer question no. Na akoye say wo bia wo twa ntro. Ubon say nense man no work kan nensi so Captain Smart to me kasa bisa the question bia was say hello mintio okasa mintio na Captain Smart da shada asesa question no na afi wa answer no aka say question we am bisa idea and dey what say na so ba ko no want na wa sanso ko bisa ne ba ko no biom o say hello mintio like ojine na wo monitor wo beka say asa branch ya bone pa say won shada mbra bonten beka say Men's Gold for etia ne ka. It's in some because breaking news by say Men's Gold customers the category A and at the 0% for no ya sha say ye ti omo kano me aka be the proof ba bontin am tell say proofs are men who and they say indeed some people have been paid. But I think the communication on this particular thing and no any idea hard joins here. Now, whether those people indeed have been paid or not, no, for us, Ayejina Bonting and us, Ayen Men's Gold customers, no, we can actually tell. But Men's Gold customers, the aggrieved Men's Gold customers, one more dear, one more say Dabi. Yentia will be here because our 0% now Men's Gold for stress Yetia Wamokano. Some members belonging to that 0% group, no, Eka. The coalition of aggrieved Men's Gold customers no so we see enti omo ye enti che say ade amokin efan ebe ye ne kre group bi nso wo ho retired police for wo mo nso a wo mo de omusika egogu Men's Gold wo mo nso de wo mo kan say wo mo nkrofo bi wo mo pension sika ye de mo wo mo de koto Men's Gold some nkrofo no nso some of them belong to the 0% category. It Men's Gold dey ba but ya kase otia 0% category no wo mo so members na at least na ko wo mo nyante ye se wo mo members ni bi ensa akan scanner na nka akoma no enko suru sei ema wo bi enkotena radio so enka se wo threatening Nana Appiah Mensah ne live etiefo sikasem de enya ade a yedidi agro obi sikasem enya ade a yedidi agro ba ko sei intino whether Men's Gold indeed has paid or not, no, I believe say this is not a chance for you to even tour with the feelings of the aggrieved Men's Gold customers. Due to this, Mate say a lot of people have passed on. Ebi mo ewu, omo asem ne to omo so a omo kwa yare ye koda hospital, omo nya ska enkotia, te say etiefo nya easy. Some Men's Gold asem we are how etiefo Men's Gold the same way hey. Now it tells you the country we live in unim na wo peja wo ho e wo Ghana ha sei he ye be chese ye be bo wase one time hey I remember Nana Appiah Mensah those time they bia wo be ko bia na camera si ni so nkrofo bo ne nsembrane that time no wo nim na oba bonten ye be friend Nana Appiah Mensah escammer the nkrofo be ya ono And then the hero has become a villain. Nana Appiah Mensah knew. Then times, hey, musicians talent ho. Hey, Ghana oh. Hey, celebrities talent ho. Program bia wo beye bia ni hey. And then Nana Appiah Mensah ni. Asemba chale. Etiefo, enye easy. Na pepesa mo tram wadwen e wo comment box ni mu e man. Mo tram wadwen. Nti no eno ne nsema eda ho. Me da say